The four main causes for World War I were militarism, alliances, imperialism, and nationalism. Another event that could arguably be a cause is the Industrial Revolution. In the Industrial Revolution, new weapons were invented and mass-produced for armies. New countries like Germany formed and began to dominate Europe. Britain, the then world leader, had competition and formed a rivalry with Germany. Germany rivaled Britain's two-part naval system and began to expand overseas like other traditional European powers. In Africa, Germany fought against France to gain African land. These overseas battles led to division among the European nations and alliances were formed. After the Franco-Prussian War, Bismarck, the Chancellor of Germany, realized he needed to make alliances with other countries in order to be prepared for when France decided to take its revenge on Germany. The Triple Alliance was formed to isolate France and gain support for Germany. In 1881, the Three Emperors League formed a military alliance between Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Russia. Bismarck's Reassurance Treaty of 1887 came shortly after, as Austria-Hungary and Russia had a strong military rivalry. In 1882, the Triple Alliance was created between Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Italy. In 1890, Kaiser Wilhelm II fired Bismarck and ended the Reassurance Treaty that tied Russia to Germany. Russia then quickly left Germany and signed a military treaty with France. In 1904, France signed the Entente Cordiale, or Friendly Understanding, which was not as binding as a treaty with Germany's rival Britain. Then, in 1907, Britain signed an entente with Russia, and the three countries formed the Allied Powers. Britain also had made a previous alliance with Japan in 1902. Before war broke out in Europe, Germany formed an alliance with the Ottoman Empire in 1914. All in all, the alliances went like this. The Allied powers were Britain, France, and Russia, with support from Japan and Italy. The Central Powers were Germany and Austria-Hungary, with the support of the Ottoman Empire. Another main cause of World War I was nationalism. French and German citizens had a deep hatred for one another because of the awful events in the Franco-Prussian War. France wanted revenge on Germany and desired to regain some of the territory it had lost in the war. In Russia and other Slavic regions, Pan-Slavism, a form of nationalism of Slavic people, became a very strong aspect of those countries. The Balkans, a group of Slavic people, desired to form a South Slav state and wanted territory from Turkey and Austria-Hungary. In 1912, the Balkans attacked Turkey and took a large part of the Turkish land. The spoils of war then led to issues within the Balkan states. As all of Europe knew a great war was soon to come, militarism became a large belief in European countries. Boys grew up wanting to fight for their country in order to gain glory on the battlefield. The military in Europe brought great pride and prestige to the country. Many of the European countries spent large sums of money on their military and became well armed for the upcoming war.